Welcome to Jade Guitars and welcome to the Great Guitar Build-Off 2022 kit build. My name is Laurel Brunken and here's the story behind this build. About a year ago, in April, my daughter passed away. So I went back home to visit some family, and I was staying with my son Kyle, who was watching some Crimson guitar videos, and we both started watching them together and decided that that's what we wanted to do, is we wanted to get involved with that. Unfortunately, there wasn't enough time for Kyle to do some of that stuff this year, so I had searched for a way to do it on my own. After I came home in August, I had a stroke and lost the sight in my right eye. And because of that, I found out I had cancer in my larynx. And so I had to go through some treatments for that. While I was going through that, I started watching some videos, and I ran across Tornelli Guitars. And he was talking about some of his success came from when he started talking on his videos. And then I panicked because I had no voice. My voice was like a whisper. All of the radiation that they did inside my throat had just seized everything up, so I couldn't speak. Anyway, I was just trying to drum up some more subscribers for my channel, and I wrote him a message, and he asked if I'd be interested in him putting me in for the Crimson guitar deal, and then I guess he talked to Todd from Sweet Heat Guitars, and Todd got involved, and he put together a kit for me. He had a lot of help from Spike, Frugal Fixer, Bill Taylor, Pickups, several other people. And so I'm going to have the unboxing of all that stuff that I got to build this guitar. I hope you enjoy watching the process, and if you can, please subscribe to the channel to get updates, and push the like button. So here's the unboxing for my 2022 kit build. Got the Telecaster body. License neck. A couple of different plates. Pretty cool. GGBO22 machine heads, tuners. Those would be pretty nice. Copper foil. All the hardware. More hardware. Strap. Pretty nice leather strap. Wiring, capacitor. Couple of Tone Ninja nuts. Some awesome pickups from Bill Taylor. Those are going to be some nice pickups. strings. Not my brand, but we'll be able to use them. Got the Clouson bridge. Pretty sweet. The neck plate. It's got my logo. Guitar Build 2022. It's pretty cool. Well, I got my work cut out for me, so it shouldn't take too long. Thanks, guys.